Welcome to All Things Tech. Today we are showcasing something that perfectly blends timeless beauty with modern craftsmanship. It's a dress that doesn't just sparkle, it speaks. Say hello to the sequined navy ball gown, a design that turns every entrance into a cinematic moment and every step into a statement. Let's start with the color. There's something about navy blue that's endlessly elegant. It's sophisticated, deep, and universally flattering. This specific shade of navy feels almost like a midnight sky, cool, mysterious, and glowing with an inner richness. It doesn't shout for attention, but it quietly demands it. Unlike brighter colors that can come and go with trends, navy holds its ground. It's the color of royalty, of nightfall, of powerful silence. But what makes this gown come alive is the sequins. The entire dress is layered in tiny shimmering sequins, each one hand sewn to create a smooth, radiant surface. The result? A gown that shimmers as you move. Not in a flashy or overwhelming way, but in a soft, hypnotic rhythm, like moonlight reflected on water. In video, in photos, or in person, this gown delivers presence. It doesn't just reflect light, it transforms it. The silhouette is classic ball gown, inspired by royal court fashion with a modern twist. A fitted bodice hugs the torso, tapering perfectly at the natural waist before flaring out into a full, voluminous skirt. The skirt has multiple layers, soft satin underneath for structure and tulle over top to give that airy, floating quality. Despite its dramatic volume, the dress is surprisingly lightweight and breathable, making it perfect for long wear, dancing, or walking gracefully into any high-profile event. The neckline is a masterpiece of balance. Depending on the variation, it may feature a sweetheart, off-the-shoulder, or illusion neckline, all of which add to the elegance and allow room for your personal style. It highlights your collarbones, frames your shoulders, and keeps things tastefully bold. It draws attention without revealing too much, ideal for formal events or occasions where you want to look powerful and poised. The back of the gown is finished with a hidden zipper to maintain a clean and polished appearance. It fits snug, but not tight, thanks to the soft inner lining and carefully placed darts and seams. The dress moves with you, not against you. You won't feel restricted or uncomfortable, even during a full evening of celebration. The materials used are top tier, premium tulle, structured satin, and a silk blend lining. The sequins are stitched with high tensile thread to prevent fall off. This isn't fast fashion, it's formal wear built to last, both in construction and in timeless appeal. Let's talk about styling. This gown pairs beautifully with silver or diamond accessories. A delicate necklace, chandelier earrings, or even a crystal embellished clutch would elevate the look instantly. Hair can be styled up for a regal, clean look or left in soft waves for a more romantic, ethereal effect. Makeup. A bold lip and smoky eye work wonders with the navy tones, but a fresh-faced dewy look with shimmer highlights also ties in perfectly with the dress's soft glow. Shoes can be classic heels in silver, navy, or even nude tones, depending on how much height you want and whether you're planning to dance or just dazzle. This gown covers most shoes anyway, so comfort can take priority without sacrificing style. Where can you wear a gown like this? It's ideal for black tie events, winter formals, military balls, galas, evening weddings, pageants, and proms. But beyond just events, it's also a dream piece for photo shoots, fashion content, or even cosplay for fantasy-themed characters. You could easily picture this dress on a modern-day queen, a starlit goddess, or a regal enchantress. The versatility of the design makes it work across genres and moods, refined, mysterious, radiant. When you wear this dress, you're not just dressing up, you're stepping into a story. You're wrapping yourself in light, in structure, in a style that blends historical silhouettes with futuristic shimmer. It's fashion that feels almost cinematic. You won't just look stunning. You'll feel like you've entered a different world, one where you're the centerpiece of something beautiful and unforgettable. Now, let's talk about the price. This gown is available for $249. For the level of craftsmanship, the quality of materials, and the wow factor it delivers, this is an excellent investment. You are not just buying a dress. You are purchasing confidence, elegance, and a moment that will be remembered. Subscribe to my channel, All Things Tech, for more epic pieces like this, where fashion meets design, where quality meets creativity, and where we explore not just technology